Topping it with some onion will make it extra yummy. Lovelies, I'm sharing the best way to prepare your parfait. This is filling, it is direct, easy, and contains all nutrients that you need. Lovelies, don't let me talk much. Let's get it started. This is granola I'll be using. It is super affordable, and what I have here is strawberry. I'm just going to cut them. They are big ones. I'm going to cut them into 4. If they are small, just cut it into 2. Lovelies, make sure you watch this up to the end. You're going to see other ingredients we'll be adding into it, but please remember to give this a thumb up, subscribe, like, and follow. So in the glass, I'm going to add some Greek yogurt. I'm using Greek natural yogurt, and I'll be adding some sliced banana into this. You can just use a spoon to arrange this well. So I'm going to add strawberry into it now. And you can also use your spoon to arrange it well. After that, I'm going to top it with some diced apples. And what I have here is muesli with some dried raisins in it. What I have here is granola. Granola is much sweeter than muesli. So I've added granola now. It's now time to add some Greek yogurt on top of it. And I'm just going to top it again with strawberries. Lovelies, feel free to add any kind of fruits you love, like pawpaw, like pears. Add them to it. They will boost it and make it more delicious. But this one, make sure you try it and you will thank me later. So I just sprinkled some granola on top of this to give it a yummy look and to make it more filling. And after that, I'm going to add a little bit of Greek yogurt on top of it. You can make as many as possible. Make them, keep them in your fridge. 3 days, you're still enjoying this. This is perfect for your breakfast. Take them to work, take them to school. Your kids will love it. Let them try it. This is filling and it is loaded with nutrients. Super easy. So I'm just going to finish the topping now with honey. This is going to make it extra delicious. A must try for everyone. Please remember to give us a thumbs up if you like what you've just watched. Please subscribe, like, follow. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you give it a try and let me know how much you enjoyed this in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.